10 Causes of pain. After knee replacement surgery can be life-changing, but unfortunately, some patients continue to experience pain after their operation. The National Joint Registry suggests that 20 to 30% of patients suffer from ongoing pain after knee replacement surgery. Persistent pain does not necessarily mean that the knee replacement has failed, and it is important to understand this and not worry without a reason. There are several possible causes of pain, and identifying the correct one is the key to deciding what, if anything, needs to be done. In this video, we'll look at 10 important causes of pain after knee replacement, what symptoms they may produce, and the treatment options that may be considered. One of the most important causes to exclude is infection around the knee replacement. Infection can sometimes cause obvious symptoms such as increasing pain, swelling, warmth, redness, or fever, but low-grade infections may be much more subtle. Investigation may include blood tests, imaging, and, when appropriate, taking a sample of fluid from the knee for laboratory analysis. This is the reason we do not proceed with surgery if patients have scratches or any infection in their bodies before surgery. Persistent or unexplained pain after knee replacement will always be investigated by your specialist. The second cause can be stiffness or arthrofibrosis or internal scarring. Arthrofibrosis is excessive scar tissue formation inside the knee. This can frequently happen if timely physiotherapy is not done. The golden phase of moving the knee after a knee replacement is in the first 2 to 3 weeks. Late physiotherapy is painful and difficult. Patients commonly describe a stiff knee as tight, stiff, or restricted, particularly when trying to bend or straighten it. Early movement and appropriate physiotherapy following surgery is hence important in restoring range of motion. The DKC physiotherapy protocols are very strict, and 1 session a week of hands-on physiotherapy is a must when we perform knee replacements. The important point is not to ignore a knee that is becoming progressively stiffer after replacement surgery. The third cause of pain after knee replacement is persistent swelling or synovitis. Synovitis means inflammation of the tissue lining the knee joint. After knee replacement, persistent inflammation can cause pain, swelling, and a feeling that the knee simply isn't settling. There are several possible reasons, including mechanical irritation or instability, while reactions to implant materials are much less common and require careful assessment. Treatment depends on identifying the underlying cause rather than simply treating the inflammation itself. Rehabilitation and strengthening may help some patients, while persistent symptoms may require further investigation. Instability or the knee giving way can be painful. A knee replacement needs appropriate ligament balance to remain stable throughout the range of movement. If the knee is unstable, patients may describe giving way, a wobble every so often, or lack of confidence in the replaced knee. Physiotherapy and strengthening can improve muscular control in some cases, but significant mechanical instability may require specialist assessment and sometimes revision surgery. The important distinction is whether the problem is primarily muscular weakness or whether there is a genuine mechanical problem with the replaced knee. The sixth cause is loosening or component moving, or implant. Coming away from the bone. Another possible cause is movement between the implant and the bone. Patients may experience pain, particularly during weight-bearing activities such as standing, walking, or climbing stairs. If the knee replacement feels loose after many years of pain-free function, please seek help. Diagnosis normally requires careful clinical assessment and appropriate imaging because pain alone cannot confirm loosening. Mild symptoms may sometimes be monitored, but confirmed symptomatic loosening may require revision surgery to restore secure implant fixation. Establishing the diagnosis before considering further surgery is crucial. Cause 6 may be a neuroma or nerve-related pain. Nerve swelling is called neuroma. Small nerves around the knee are inevitably encountered during knee replacement surgery. Occasionally, a painful neuroma can develop when a nerve ending becomes trapped within scar tissue. Patients may describe a very localized area of tenderness, burning, sensitivity, or sharp electric-type pain. Treatment varies according to severity and may include non-operative pain management, injections, or, in carefully selected cases, surgical treatment. Examination and sometimes a targeted local anesthetic injection can help identify whether a nerve is responsible. Cause 7 is malalignment. The position and alignment of the knee replacement components can influence how forces travel through the knee. If the components are significantly malpositioned, some patients may experience pain, instability, stiffness, or an unnatural feeling when walking. Assessment may require specialized X-rays or CT imaging to examine the position and rotation of the components. Minor variations do not automatically require treatment and may be tolerated by the body. Cause 8. Implant material. Sensitivity. Metal sensitivity following knee replacement remains a complex and debated area. True implant-related hypersensitivity appears to be uncommon, and symptoms such as pain or swelling have many more common explanations that should usually be investigated first. Patients with a significant history of metal sensitivity should discuss this with their surgeon. In selected circumstances, alternative implant materials or specially coated components may be considered, but implant allergy should not automatically be assumed to be the cause of an otherwise unexplained painful knee replacement. Cause 9. Patella or kneecap problems. The kneecap is an important part of how a replaced knee functions. Pain can arise from the patella tendon, the way the kneecap tracks, surrounding soft tissues or other mechanical problems. Patients may particularly notice discomfort when getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or performing activities that load the front of the knee. Pain from other parts than the knee is not uncommon. This is an important cause that is sometimes overlooked. Pain felt around a knee replacement may occasionally originate elsewhere. Problems in the hip or lower back can refer pain towards the knee, while nerve or vascular conditions can sometimes produce similar symptoms. This is why investigating a painful knee replacement should involve assessing the whole patient rather than simply looking at the X-ray of the implant. Before considering another knee operation, it is essential to be reasonably confident that the knee replacement itself is actually responsible for the symptoms. This will involve a thorough examination of the hip, back, and the opposite knee as well. These days, a multidisciplinary team. Meetings to discuss a painful knee replacement is routine, and surgery without this should not be considered. Persistent pain after knee replacement can have many causes, including infection, scar tissue, inflammation, instability, loosening, nerve-related pain, component position, implant sensitivity, kneecap problems, and even conditions outside the knee itself. Most importantly, a painful knee replacement needs a diagnosis before it needs another treatment. If you're experiencing persistent pain following knee replacement, speak to an appropriately qualified healthcare professional and have the cause properly assessed. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the Droitwich Knee Clinic channel for more straightforward, evidence-based information about knee and shoulder problems. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for similar content and comment on any other knee issues you would like covering in the next video.